Create a low poly tree in 1 minute. Go into edit mode. Press M and merge at center. Now press E and extrude the vertex to a tree shape. Add a skin modifier. Select all the vertices in edit mode and use Ctrl A to adjust the thickness. Select the bottom vertices and make it a little thick. Now add a UV sphere and change its subdivisions to 1. And also make some imperfections on the sphere. Duplicate and rotate the different spheres. Add suitable colors. And now you have created a beautiful low poly tree.